In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Life360 Family Locator. First, make sure that you have downloaded Life360. This is crucial because without the app, you won't be able to utilize all its features. You can find Life360 in your device's app store, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. Simply search for Life360 and tap on the download button. You will see a loading bar indicating the progress of the download. Once it's complete, the app icon will appear on your home screen. This step is important because it allows you to connect with your family and enhance your safety by sharing your location. Once that is done, open the app. You will see a welcome screen that prompts you to sign in or create a new account. If you're new to Life360, select the option to create a new account. The screen will display fields for your email and password. This screen serves as your gateway to all the app's functionalities. By signing in, you ensure that your account is personalized and secure, making it easier to manage your family's location. Next up, tap Create a Circle. This action is significant because the circle is the foundation of Life360. It groups your family members so you can easily keep track of each other. After tapping, you will be presented with a screen prompting you to name your circle. This is your chance to get creative. You can choose a name that reflects your family's identity or simply call it family. It makes the app feel more personal and connected. After entering a circle name, confirm your choice. This is a simple yet essential step. By confirming, you finalize the creation of your circle, allowing you to move forward with inviting your family members. You will see a confirmation message on the screen, reassuring you that your circle is now active. This confirmation is a nice touch, ensuring you that you are on the right path. Now, let's invite family members to your circle. Open your circle by tapping on it from the main screen. This action takes you to a new page where you can manage your circle settings and members. An active circle is vital for sharing locations and receiving notifications about your loved ones. It creates a sense of security and connection among family members. From there, tap Invite Members. You will see options to invite through various methods such as text or email. This flexibility allows you to reach family members in the way that suits them best. The next screen will show you an invite code. This code is what family members will use to join your circle, making it easy for everyone to connect quickly. After that, copy or share the invite code. This ensures that your family members have a direct way to join your circle. You can also choose to send the code via message or email directly from the app. This step is important because it streamlines the process of gathering everyone in one place. Once your family members receive the invite code, ask them to join using the code. This interaction fosters a sense of community and teamwork. It's a small step, but it's essential for ensuring everyone is included and can share their location. Now that your circle is set, let's share your location. Tap Settings, which is usually found in the bottom menu of the app. This section allows you to customize your experience and manage your privacy settings. It's always good to familiarize yourself with these options to ensure you're comfortable with what you're sharing. Next, tap Location Sharing. This feature is the heart of Life360, enabling real-time location updates. Once there, turn location sharing on. This is a critical step because it allows your family members to see your location on the map, enhancing safety and peace of mind. You will see a toggle switch that turns green when location sharing is active. This makes sure your location is always visible to your family, promoting trust and security. By following these steps, you are now set up to use Life360 effectively. You can enjoy the benefits of location sharing and stay connected with your loved ones.